The Cebu City Police Office said that everything went well on the first day of the regional bar exams this Friday, February 4, and that no major incidents were recorded in Cebu City so far. They recorded 200 bar takers at the University of San Carlos main campus, 390 examinees at the University of San Jose Recoletos Basac campus, and 565 bar takers at the University of Cebu Banilad campus. However, 13 of them were not present on the first day.
Update on our security coverage during the first ever bar examination outside Manila. No? So far, hapsay raman ang ato ang pagpahigayon. Nagsugod kaganina ng mga alas 3 sa kadlawon ang ato ang deployment, and then as far as early as 3:30 nagsugod na sad sila og pasulod sa mga bar examinee, and then the schedule for the start of exam is 7 o'clock. So bisag nagsud na sa ang tanan nga mga bar examinee na nasa ilahang tagsa-tagsa ka mga classroom, so ang atong personnel nagpadayon gihapon sa pag-secure sa perimeter sa mga venue kung asa gipahigayon ang bar examination.
He assured that all safety protocols mandated by the Supreme Court were all complied with.
So far, no, ang pinaka-kuan naman ginato, no, dili gini siya yung challenge ka nato, but challenge for the bar examinees ang katong ato ang mga antigen test, no, nga mo pinaka-challenge sa itong mga bar examinees. But so far, for the security is concerned, wala man tayo nasugatan ng mga kakulian. Kay usa pa ang ato ang mga bar examinee, musunod gid sila man sa ato ang mga lagda nga unsay gipatuman.
He added that they have not arrested any violators so far of their existing traffic rules implemented outside bar examination sites, such as the prohibition of the blowing of horns.
So kadganinang buntag sa pagsugod alas 3 sa kabuntagon, wala man tayo nasugatan, no, nga mga kakulian, which is mao na atong intention nga wala tayo mga sugatan nga mga kakulian para magdalampuso ng ato ang pagpahigayon sa bar examination.
Meanwhile, traffic and police personnel as well as the members of the Cebu City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office and the Bureau of Fire Protection are continuously on standby outside the bar sites in case of any emergencies. This has been Shariza Miuy from MyTV Cebu.